Welcome back to the channel. This is part 2 of fixing up an LA145 to sell. So part 1 was restoring the mower deck and make it look pretty good on the outside. Part 2 is for a new power plant because we bought it with a blown motor. So I got the replacement motor here, same horsepower, 22, out of a John Deere LA135, which is identical motor for these LA145. Before I put a motor in, make sure the muffler is a little bit loose, and I make sure the exhaust pipes here are a little bit loose too. What I took out of the old motor to this one, I switched the charging coil because you need a higher amperage charging coil to run the PTO electric clutch on these 48 mower decks. And I upgraded the voltage regulator and upgraded the carburetor, and I switched the fuel pump from this side to this side. I used a bracket on the old motors. 24 bolts hold the motor in the frame. Move the motor a little bit. Here. Now the motor is secure, tighten your muffler. Now you gotta tighten the exhaust pipe. Just gonna put the throttle pin here. Okay, I'm gonna put the choke on all the way up. This should go all the way this way. Alright, it works. Perfect. Now I'm gonna put the PTO clutch on here. The keyway is right there. Inside. Touch it up here. Nope, bind up the belt in the back. Looks good. Electrical plug back in. It's all in. It's all good. Down here. Got the headlight plug here. Put my negative cable back on the battery. Alright, hook this up here. I already hooked up the cable going to the starter. Alright, so you start, I put a little tiny bit of gas in the carburetor to just start up here. I got it running, I'm going to check the voltage. Change the oil in this thing, and that'd be it. If you like this video, press thumbs up below. Just subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.